Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names. Are you ready to discover something amazing about our Creator? The special name we're learning today is Al-Qaabid. Can you say it with me? Al-Qaabid. This is how we write it in Arabic. Al-Qaabid means the one who withholds. Just like how your hand can hold something tight, Allah can hold and control everything in the universe. Look at how Allah changes the seasons. In winter, He withholds the warmth and brings cold. In summer, He brings back the warmth. This shows us how Al-Qaabid controls everything perfectly. Every day, Allah shows us He is Al-Qaabid by holding back the sunlight to bring night and then bringing back the light for day. Isn't that amazing? Allah is Al-Qaabid because He knows exactly when to give us things and when to hold them back. He always does what is best for us, even if we don't understand why. Sometimes we want something very much, but Allah, as Al-Qaabid, might hold it back because He has something better planned for us. Just like when Mom says, wait until after dinner for a treat. Remember, Allah is Al-Qaabid and He takes care of everything perfectly. Thank you for learning with us today. See you next time.